President Donald Trump and Chinese President Xi Jinping are set to meet on October 30th in South Korea, according to the White House. The meeting will take place on the sidelines of the upcoming Asia Summit. The White House confirmed that preparations for this high-profile meeting had been underway for several weeks. However, growing economic tensions between the world's two largest economies had raised doubts about whether the meeting would happen. This will be President Trump's first formal meeting with President Xi since returning to office for a second term. During a press briefing, the White House press secretary officially confirmed the meeting.
On Thursday morning local time, President Trump will participate in a bilateral meeting with President Xi of the People's Republic of China before departing to return home to Washington, D.C.
Following earlier remarks by Trump that he would be meeting the Chinese leader, Trump said, "We have a fairly long meeting scheduled. We have a lot of suspicions to clear, many questions to address, and significant shared assets. I think something will come out of it. Our relationship is very good, but this is quite important." Recently, President Trump warned China that if Beijing did not lift its ban on the export of rare minerals, the EU would impose a 100% tariff on Chinese goods starting in November. For more global news and in-depth analysis, subscribe now to ZigZag News, where truth meets curiosity.